picked up a couple of saws. There's a 61 and then this one. This was one of interest for me. I haven't really looked at it a whole lot. It is heavy. I plan to get it going. It doesn't run right now, but doesn't appear to be a whole lot wrong with it. It looks actually pretty good, except it's a little dirty. I'll pull some things apart and take a look at it and let you look. Here it is, some of the things pulled off it so you can take a look. And then we'll come across those hoses before. I'll figure that out. I think that's an anniversary model. I think maybe that's where the sticker was. All the plastic looks good, there's nothing cracked. The shield looks pretty good. Clutch looks okay. A little dirty on the inside. Compression's awfully low. I think I showed you that picture already. But most of it's here. This area starts to get a little bit wet, so I'm a little bit concerned. It doesn't smell like gas, but maybe that's where the oil tank is. There's the oil override. So, looks in good shape. The low in compression, like I said, and I've got a better picture. But that doesn't look too good in there. Hopefully I can replace that and the cylinder cleans up. So that's it. 2101 with 2101 XP. I'll share when it's done, maybe in between.